Hi friends, Shannon here, creative crew member with Katscrappiness, here to share with you some embellishments from our new Blend and Bling release. I'm going to share with you some of the embellishments, actually I think all of the embellishments that are new to our collection. If you don't know already, Katscrappiness has a very wide variety of embellishments to use to embellish your cards or as shaker bits, lots in those two categories. If you don't know, you should know that they are very inexpensive also, and very often we have sales for our embellishments. So I'm going to show you a new way that because I am on the design team, I've got lots and lots of these embellishments. And what I'm doing now to organize my embellishments is I'm creating a little note card, and I've got the hole punched, and I'm adding the embellishments to the little note cards, including their name. And what I'm going to do with them after I've organized them all on note cards is I will have these put in alphabetical order so that I can find the colors. The colors will actually be in rainbow order, as you see here. And then I can search for them based on the color for my project, but they'll keep the packages organized in alphabetical order so it's easier for me to find them. So let me just go and name off the ones that I have in front of me right now. These are the Misty Blush Glitter Sequin Mix. Very beautiful. I'm a pink. Pink is my color, and so the Misty Blush speaks to my heart. Next is Radiant Rose, and that's a darker pink color. Then you have the Rambling Rose Glitter Sequin Mix, and that's a combination of both the Misty Blush and the Radiant Rose. Then there's the Cotton Candy Glow Glitter Sequin Mix, and this is a really nice baby pink color, and there's a couple different sizes. And what I do on my little note cards here is I'll put a couple of or at least one or two of the different sizes that are available so that I'll be able to know if it will be ideal for my project. Okay, next is the Tropical Paradise Glitter Sequin Mix, and this one includes some beads, so this would be great for shaker cards because it'll make those glittery bits shake around more because it has the clear beads inside. And next is the Pastel Lime. Besides green, besides pink, teal and green are my favorite color also. So Pastel Lime, same thing. They have the little sequin bits in the different sizes. Next is the Olive Grove Glitter Sequin Mix. Then there's the Celebration Glitter Sprinkles. This is gold sequin and also a really deep dark navy blue, almost black sequin. So those would be great for maybe over the hill type celebration, or anniversary would be another one. And this one is beautiful. This is the Platinum Gold Glitter Sequin Mix. Gosh, I'm getting tongue-tied with with the names. And they're a really beautiful sparkly. Let me show you the inside. I'm going to grab a little embellishment tray. Katscrappiness also sells these embellishment trays. They're very inexpensive and they're great for sorting out your bits or adding them to your shaker cards, etc., or just having somewhere to dump them out, and they pour back into your package very easily. But what I wanted to show is just how sparkly they are. Really great glitter color. Or glitter shine, I should say. Okay, this one might speak to some ladies out there. The Red Hat Ladies Glitter Sequin Mix. And that's the purple and the red. That if you're a member of the Red Hat Ladies Club, you'll know that these would be great for your friends. Cards for your friends, to embellish the cards for your friends. Next is Majestic Royal Blue Glitter Sequin Mix, Ocean Breeze Glitter Sequin Mix, Peacock Blue Glitter Sequin Mix, and the Dolly Denim Glitter Sequin Mix. Now, the Ocean Breeze, I believe, is a combination of these three here, the Majestic Royal Blue, Peacock, and the Dolly Denim. So I'm going to put these away, and I'll show you the next set of embellishments, which are the clay bits. Now we have the little clay bits that are new to our release, our embellishment release. And the first one is called the 100-Acre Woods Sprinkle Mix. And that one has a little Winnie the Pooh. There's a larger and a smaller of the Winnie the Pooh, and it's drinking a little soda. And it has the yellow and the red speckles and dots. So there's that one. And also the Gamer Boy sprinkles. And those have a gamer controller, and they come in a couple of different sizes. And after that we have the Happy Pills, and they have the little pills with a smiley face on them in the 3 different colors. And this one is really adorable. It's the Party Balloon Sprinkles, and these sprinkles have bunches of balloons tied into a bouquet. And those are really colorful, kind of the rainbow colors are all included. Really adorable little shaker bits. And then we have It's Always You 3. Now, I'm not sure what that is from, but I'll describe to you what the little pieces are. It looks like little kids. There's one with glasses with really dark hair, a little redhead, and then a brunette. And I don't know, it looks like they're all wearing black. I'm not sure what that's from. I'll have to find that out. And okay, next up are the Valentine Mouse Ear Sprinkles, and there's each of the little mouse ear head silhouettes in 3 different colors representing the Valentine. And finally, for our clay bits, this is called It's a Magical World Sprinkle Mix, and it has a little Minnie Mouse, a white mouse ear silhouette, the little overalls that Mickey wears, and then yellow hearts, and that's a nice amount of shaker bits for your cards. And we have a few more. I'll be right back and we'll finish this up. One thing that I didn't include in my little swatch cards is the really dimensional embellishments. Now we have the dimensional buttered popcorn, and you see they would be great to top one of the popcorn dies that we have, the little popcorn box, or to create a popcorn shaker with it. And these have lots of dimension, and they look like just little popped pieces of popcorn. So that's dimensional buttered popcorn. Then we have the Rubber Ducky Bath Embellishment Mix, and these really beautiful aqua colored clear beads, and then the little rubber duckies that are just clay bits. And those also great for shaker cards or to embellish the front of your cards. Then we have, let me set those aside. These are the last 4 we have. We have the teal blue solid confetti sequins, and there's 3 sizes of the confetti, and this is a new addition to our already very large selection of colors for the solid confetti sequins. Then we have the blue paw print sequins, and they're little shiny pieces of, or little shiny sequins that are shaped like blue paws. And then the pink paw print sequence, and there's a pink, and then there's kind of an orangish pink, maybe a little bit of a coral color, peachy coral color, and those are really shiny too. I'm trying to get it to shine off of the light there so you can see how pretty those are. And then finally, the Kiwi Sparkle Sequin Mix, and that, let me find it in my little arrangement here. There are rings and then 2 different size sequin, and they're also very sparkly and shiny. So that's all I've got for you today. There will be links for all of the different embellishments in the description box below. Also, Shanna will be showing a video on our new embellishment, not embellishment, our blending brushes, the new mini blending brushes. So make sure you give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. Select all so that you will be notified every time we have a new release. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.